Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arjuna. I will explain about Apple company. Apple, an America-based technology company, was formed in April 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Began operation in 1977. Apple is now as one of the pioneers in the personal computing device industry with a graphical user interface. Since its inception, the company has expanded its reach into various consumer electronic segments, including mobile communication device, digital music player, notebook, and wearables. Next slide. The next is founding and early production of Apple production. Apple Incorporation was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne in 1976 in Cupertino, California. They began production of the Apple from Apple I and Apple II personal computer in Steve Jobs' garage. This initial step became an important moment in the history of Apple production in the United States. In this early phase, Apple production was still limited and carried out on a small scale, with Jobs and Wozniak manually assembling their first computer, the Apple I, using limited available components. So later, Apple launched the Apple II in 1977, which became the company's first success. Growing demand drove the expansion of their production operation, including the addition of employees and transfer of production to a large facility, though production was still limited by Apple made them increasingly. The next is Green Promotion Initiative. Apple commitment to environmental responsibility has evolved over time, starting from humble beginning in Steve Jobs' garage. The company has expanded production while priorities sustainability. Green promotion is not just about the product, but also the production process. Apple innovative approach the reducing environmental impact from eco-friendly design to recycled material is integral to their green initiative. Environmental awareness is also reflected in Apple marketing and communication. The company actively promotes its commitment to sustainability, attracting eco-conscious customers and inspiring other businesses to follow suit. Through the green promotion efforts, Apple demonstrates its dedication to creating a more sustainable future. Next slide. The next slide is environmental commitment. Apple has demonstrated strong commitment to the environmental since its inception by starting production in Steve Jobs' garage and making efficient use of resources. The company has shown awareness of environmental responsibility. As Apple grew, it's continued to optimize resource use and pay close attention to the environmental impact of its operation. With a focus on innovation and quality, Apple strives to reduce the environmental footprint of its product throughout the manufacturing process and product life cycle. Apple integrates sustainability into all aspects of its business, affirming the role of social and environmental responsibility in building sustainable future. Through this holistic approach, the company continues to demonstrate its commitment to the environment as an integral part of its practice. Next slide. Positive impact of Apple. The first is technology innovation. Apple has been a leader in technological innovation, especially in development of personal computer with graphical user interface. So the company focus on product quality and careful control of every aspect of production has resulted in high quality product that are globally recognized, elevating industry standards and fostering healthy competition in the technology. Next, economic contribution. As Apple grew, the company had more employees and expand its production operation, providing employment opportunities and contributing to the local economy. Apple's presence has also helped build a strong technology community and inspired many entrepreneurs and innovators around the world. So inspiring entrepreneurship. Apple's success in creating paradigm shifting product has inspired many to pursue their dreams of technology and creativity, making the vision and dedicate of Apple founder an example for many of today leaders and entrepreneurs. Challenges and opportunities in the future. Apple's early journey from the production of the first personal computer in Steve Jobs' garage present a garage present a series of challenges and opportunities that were important in the company's journey into the future. In the early stage, Apple faced limitation in production on a limited scale, where computers were assembled manually by human labor. Nevertheless, innovative moves such as the launch of the Apple II brought great positive impacts to the company. The significant growth in to its production operation is and building large production facilities. Quality of product and service is a key focus shaping Apple's reputation. But future challenges include sustaining innovation while overcoming supply chain bottleneck and global expansion. In addition, Apple is also faced with the need to integrate automation technology in production process to increase efficiency. The last slide. The conclusion, Apple was found in 109,076 in Cupertino, California by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne. Initially, production was done manually in Steve Jobs' garage on a limited scale, resulting in the first personal computer, including the Apple I and Apple II. Despite challenges in production and expansion operation, Apple successfully launched innovative products that built the company's reputation in product and service quality. For the next is question. Everyone, any question?
Okay, I wanna ask.
Yes.
Okay, how has Apple approach to environmental sustainability evolved over the years, particularly in terms of its product design and manufacturing process?
Okay, thanks for the question. The first is Apple environmental sustainability product design. Apple use eco-friendly material designed for energy efficiency and ensure products are recyclable. First is manufacture the utilize renewable energy in supplier environmental responsibility and aim to reduce their carbon footprint. Next is circular economy. Apple promotes device longevity, recycle material, and move toward a circular economy model. That is the answer.
Okay,
Next question. Okay, next question.
Okay.
My question is, in what ways has Apple innovation in technology influenced other industry, and how might the cross-industry influence shape future technological development?
Okay, Apple cross-industry influence first is design and user experience. Apple design ethos has influenced various industries to focus on aesthetic and user experience. So, mobile and application. The iPhone and App Store have transformed mobile communication and software distribution, affecting multiple sectors. The last is voice and wearable. Siri and Apple Watch have led LED to advancement in voice assistant and wearable technology, impacting for health, fitness, and smart devices. The conclusion is Apple commitment to sustainability and innovation continues to set technology and other industries. That is the answer. Thanks for all your attention and thanks for the questions. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.